With the launch of the Samsung Galaxy S23 series is just a few days away, everything about that particular device has been leaked, including the unboxing videos, colors, camera samples, and even the pricing has been leaked. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Now guys, one key area that would be highlight of the S23 Ultra will be its new 200 megapixel camera sensor, which is packing some massive improvement in both videos and photos. This new 200 megapixel camera sample will include finally an 8K video recording with 30 frames per second, and we also have seen a leaked 8K video sample by Ad1 on Twitter which showcased its performance. And judging upon that video, it's an amazing camera sensor because it's going to be having much more accurate color detail and stabilization. And talking about the stabilization, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will be coming with a new ultra stabilization inside, just like the action mode coming in the iPhone 14 series. So definitely it's going to be a good upgrade. Also, we are going to see a 4K video recording in a portrait video mode, just like the cinematic mode in the iPhone 14 series. Plus, we are also going to see a 3 different modes for the 200 megapixel camera sensor, which includes 12 megapixel mode, 50 megapixel modes, and the 200 megapixel modes. And as you can see these pictures, the quality of all 3 different modes is going to be different, and the 200 megapixel quality is going to be pretty amazing. Even today, we have also got a new leak which includes a 200 megapixel photos, and the video showcase that when zooming in the photos you will see a sharpened and high quality images, and the color details are going to be pretty much accurate. If you zoom all the way up to the S23 Ultra 200 megapixel photos, then you will see that it's going to be more sharpened and great quality of images there. Also, you see the background blur is going to be pretty amazing, just like the DSLR like photos are coming. Here is the second image for the same source, and you will see the same result in here. Now, another leak that has been pointing out that the expert RAW option is going to be now included in the camera app, and previously we know that it was a separate app. Now it has been included inside the camera app, which is going to be nice addition in the camera app. Moving forward, other cameras are going to be same, but the sensor size has also been larger than the S22 Ultra, which means more light is going to be coming in and more detail is going to be coming for the S23 Ultra camera sensor. Now, some telephoto lens camera sample has been leaked, which include 1x, 3x, 10x, and 30x zoom, and still the quality of the image at 30x zoom is pretty nice. Even the night photo camera sample has already been leaked, which also gives you a better quality of a night photography. Even in the low light, you will get a pretty nice and accurate photos. All the promo material which has been leaked for the S23 series mainly focus on the night photography, so definitely it's mean that Samsung main focus on the event will be the cameras, particularly the night photography. And you guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about these new camera samples that has been leaked? If you're excited to see the unboxing video of the S23 series, here is the video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.